Hi everybody, welcome to the Health How To channel where we talk about some great life hacks and easy tips to achieve better health. In this video, we're talking about how to lose weight. More specifically, foods to avoid because they may not actually be as healthy as they sound. We all know that we should try to eat healthy foods, but what exactly are healthy foods? I'm here to tell you the truth about 10 healthy foods that may be sabotaging your diet. Please subscribe, like, and share your best tips if you have found to be super helpful for losing weight in a healthy and sustainable manner in the comments section below. If you have someone in your life who is desperately trying to lose weight, please share this video with them too. Disclaimer, this video is meant to give some suggestions as a way of maintaining a healthy weight. This video is not meant in any way as an encouragement to starve yourself, deprive yourself of a healthy lifestyle, or meant to body shame in any way. Everybody has different bodies and different nutritional needs. This is not intended as medical advice, and in no way does it negate the advice of your doctor or other medical health professional. So let's talk about losing weight. Our diet, what we eat or don't eat, is the biggest determinant of our waistline. There are so many different foods marketed towards weight loss that it's sometimes confusing. Just because a package says plant-based on it, does that make it healthy? How about the words all natural? Does that automatically make a food healthy? The term health halo effect refers to this perception we may have that a food is healthy based on popular claims. This can lead us to eat more, believing that what we're eating is healthy. At one time, when the low-fat diet was the most popular diet out there, food companies were marketing Snackwell's Devil Food Cookie as low-fat, and they were always selling out at the grocery stores. Now, it doesn't take a genius to figure out that a cookie that consists of chocolate cake, marshmallow, and chocolatey coating probably won't make you lose weight. But back then, because it was marketed as low-fat, people went wild thinking that they could eat as many cookies as they wanted and not gain weight because there was no fat in them. These cookies have since changed so that not only are they fat-free, but also do not contain any high fructose corn syrup, partially hydrogenated oils, or artificial coloring, flavoring, or preservatives. But still, it's probably safe to assume that they shouldn't be considered a healthy diet food. Here are 10 foods that can have a health food halo and that you should avoid if you want to lose weight. Number 1, granola bars. If you're in a rush in the morning, it's healthier to pick a granola bar rather than devour a bowl of cereal, right? Would you believe that 1 cup of Lucky Charms cereal has 55 less calories and 5.4 grams less fat than an oats and honey granola bar by Nature Valley? And that this colorful marshmallow-filled cereal with its sweet memories of Saturday morning cartoons also only has 1 more gram of sugar than a healthier granola bar. And by the way, what actually is a granola bar? Depending on the bar, it's mostly just oats plus sugar plus fat plus flavoring plus preservatives. Sometimes they include delightful chocolate-flavored bits too. Number 2, flavored yogurt. Yogurt is often considered a diet food. This fermented dairy product has protein, calcium, and good bacteria. But let's face it, plain yogurt doesn't really taste all that good. So what do food companies do? Add fruit to make it tasty and even more healthy. In reality, flavored yogurt often contains very little actual real fruit, but rather added sugars, thickeners, coloring, and flavoring to make it look and taste like fruit. Consider the Danone Activia strawberry yogurt. You know, the one with the gut-healthy probiotics. It has strawberries with antioxidants too, right? Well, let's take a look at the nutritional facts. 96 calories, 15 grams of sugar, 0.2 grams of fat, and 4 grams of protein. And now, consider this similar but decidedly non-diet food, vanilla Jell-O pudding with 143 calories, 19 grams of sugar, 4.2 grams of fat, and 1.6 grams of protein. Is it that much different? A better choice could be the Liberté plain Greek yogurt that has half the sugar, and then add some real fruit yourself. Number 3, bottled juices or smoothies. Juicing. It goes hand in hand with an LA lifestyle and hot yoga. It's an easy, healthy way to get your nutrients, right? Well, it really can be a meal in a bottle. Take the Naked Blue Mountain Smoothie. It has 320 calories, 0 grams of fat, 55 grams of sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Did you know that you could have eaten a McDonald's cheeseburger for less calories? Would you believe that a McDonald's vanilla milkshake has the same amount of sugar, but 9 more grams of protein? Be mindful that juicing can take out all the healthy and satiating fiber from the pulp and leave loads of sugar behind. Even so-called green juices can have a lot of added sugar or high sugar fruit purees like bananas, pineapples, and mangoes to cover up the natural bitterness of green vegetables. Now, this video isn't meant for you to abandon all thoughts of healthy eating, but to shed a little light on the way food gets marketed as healthy. Our brain doesn't process liquids as it does whole foods, leading us to drink a lot more calories than we realize. Number 4, plant-based meat. Eating more veggies can be very healthy. Meat alternatives like plant-based meat can be a great way to transition, but you need to pay attention to the label. One popular plant-based sausage brand has over 19 groupings of ingredients listed on its label, 21% sodium and 18% fat. The thing about making vegetables taste like meat is that they often need extensive processing, salt, and other artificial additives. Rather than forcing a vegetable to be something it's not, why not embrace its natural form and have a delicious portobello mushroom as a burger alternative? Number 5, low-fat salad dressing. A great salad dressing can make a plain salad more appealing. And it's true that 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing can have over 100 calories. So it's understandable that you would want to use a low-fat dressing to cut some calories to achieve a flat tummy. But a lot of these low-fat dressings have a lot of added sugar and preservatives. A higher fat dressing, on the other hand, can help with fat-soluble vitamin absorption from the salad. Or you can try a little balsamic vinegar to give raw veggies a little more kick. Number 6, dried fruit. There are really great health benefits from eating fruit like antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They make easy, portable, and fast snacks too. But the thing about dried fruit is that it's also too easy to eat too much because all of the water and volume has been taken out. I've eaten an entire bag of apple chips in one sitting, which was apparently the equivalent of 26 apples. It can be deceiving how even a small box of raisins can have 29 grams of sugar. That's more than a chocolate glazed donut, which only has 19 grams of sugar. In general, dried fruit is dehydrated by a machine or out in the sun, but sometimes there is a baking process that can also destroy the vitamin C. Also, snacks like banana chips are actually deep fried with added sugar and preservatives. Number 7, tortilla wraps. Wraps and pitas are often marketed as a healthy alternative to burgers, and most of the time that is true, especially if they're made with fresh veggies and nitrate-free meat. But what about tortilla wraps versus 2 slices of regular bread? Actually, an average 10-inch tortilla can have 230 calories and 40 grams of carbs versus 2 slices of white bread at 190 calories and 36 grams of carbs. So you do need to check the label to see if your favorite flatbread is nothing but bread that has all the air squashed out of it. Number 8, veggie straws or chips. In general, the typical Western diet is not that high in daily vegetable intake. So, of course, it seems like a brilliant idea to make vegetables taste more like chips. But to do that, there is a catch. Some of those veggie snacks can have similar sodium, fat, and calories as actual chips. But the health halo effect can lead us to think that we're eating real veggies rather than a veggie starch mashup. Also, when we eat real veggies, the fiber takes some time to chew, which contributes to how satisfied we feel. Contrast that with the 2 or 3 bite airy crispness of veggie chips that make us crave more and more. Number 9, plant-based milk. Almond, soy, rice, coconut, and oat milk can be fantastic alternatives for people who are lactose intolerant or who want to avoid dairy. But are they healthier for you? It depends. Yes, they may be lower in calories, cholesterol, and gluten, but you need to look at the label. Many non-dairy milks don't have the same amount of protein, calcium, vitamin D in the same way that cow's milk does. Also, in order to get the same consistency as milk, these non-dairy beverages can undergo a lot of processing and contain sugar, thickeners, preservatives, and additives. Silk Vanilla Almond Milk, for example, has 9 groupings of ingredients on its label, including cane sugar and bean gum. Number 10, prepared salads. Some salads are partitioned out and you can clearly see different colorful vegetables. These are often found at the grocery store. Other prepared salads are made in a way that they are extra tasting, meaning added crunch with pita or tortilla chips, extra salt and fat with deep fried chicken bits and cheese, extra sugar with dried cranberries, and a little limp lettuce and a couple flavorless tomato slices on the side. Wendy's apple cranberry chicken salad with pomegranate vinaigrette has 421 calories. And Wendy's avocado veggie salad that includes ranch dressing has 600 calories. And for comparison, a McDonald's Big Mac has 570 calories. Yes, a Big Mac has 40 grams more carbs, but also 4 grams less fat, 1.6 grams more fiber, and only 2.8 grams more sugar. Remember, nobody is saying that Big Macs are health food, only that you need to really consider what is being marketed as healthy. The best way to make sure that you're not being fooled by the health halo effect is to try to eat whole foods in their least processed form. That way you can avoid the added sugar, modified fats, and other artificial ingredients that our digestive system can't even recognize. For example, eat celery instead of celery juice, oatmeal instead of oat milk, and snap peas instead of dehydrated chips. Your body will be more satisfied with the nutrition, fiber, and water content. Also, the more time you need to spend chewing your food, the less likely you'll gorge on it. And if you desperately want to have that cookie, go ahead and really enjoy it as a special treat. If you have some great health tips that helped you to lose weight, I'd really appreciate it if you could share them down below in the comment section so that we can all benefit in our personal journey to better health. Please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any health how-to videos where we talk about easy ways to improve your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.